Big pharmaceuticals are right up there with the arms dealers.
The 2005 film, The Constant Gardener, features a corrupt drug company testing a tuberculosis drug with known harmful side effects on poor Kenyans. It's just one of many films that portray the pharmaceutical industry in a negative light, tapping into long-standing distrust of the industry.
I think it got worse over the last decade, specifically because of issues around access to medicine. That is an issue that became more visible. It's an issue that became worse.
Silberschatz's firm, Group Caliber, analyzes and manages corporate reputations. He says negative views of Big Pharma are most acute in parts of Europe and the United States. A 2019 Gallup poll of U.S. public opinion placed the pharma industry at the bottom of a list of 25 prominent industries. 58% of those polled had a negative view of the sector. The survey suggested two main causes: the industry's role in the opioid crisis and the high cost of prescription drugs. The CEO of Eli Lilly recently acknowledged the negative view, saying he hopes the pandemic provides a chance to change things. In an earnings conference call, he said, "With the world in dire need of COVID-19 drugs and vaccines, the biopharmaceutical industry has a once-in-a-generation opportunity to reset its reputation." Big Pharma's global reputation does indeed seem to be getting a boost amid the pandemic.
An international study by Silberschatz's firm Group Caliber put the average trust and like score of the global pharma industry at 68.2 in 2020. That's up roughly 3 points from 2018. Silberschatz says there was a noticeable improvement in the industry's reputation in the spring of 2020.
He says the need for COVID treatments and vaccines has reminded people of the relevance of the pharma sector.
People are showing that they are becoming more understanding of what the sector is about and more appreciative of what the sector can do.
The pandemic may provide a once-in-a-generation opportunity for the industry to reset its reputation, but Silberschatz says if the sector is to maintain a higher level of trust, it's going to have to tackle some of its pre-existing negatives, like the high cost of drugs. Karina Huber, CGTN, New York.